wanted to do an update of my passion fruit. It's been growing for a while. I put it in the ground, grew it from seed, and it's doing pretty well. I've tried growing some from cuttings, and they just seem to not make it. But my seeds, my passion fruit from seeds seems to be doing really well. So I'm really excited to check on the quality of the fruit and stuff. But as you can see, the foliage is beautiful. I have another baby one right there that's not growing as fast. This one's getting more sunlight. But as you can see, it's doing really well. There's one in the backyard that's growing well. It's just not doing quite as well as the one in the front yard, but it looks really good as well. The foliage is really healthy. But I'm excited to have my own variety of passion fruit. Thanks for watching.